Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. John here. I just wanted to do a quick follow-up with you on the cargo buckle install because I went to the store the other night and I picked up some lumber. I used cargo buckle, strapped it down. It was quick, easy, cinched the lumber down tight. Also, you'll see on the sides I added the nylite little mini pods. They're bright as all get out. The lumber rack setup I think is awesome. Maybe some more lights in the future, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick warning. The lights are legal for off-road use only. Inside I added the dash pod and I'm going to walk you through this. Hope you guys enjoy. A while back I wired up an electrical panel inside Big Red, and so here we've got a couple things. So we're going to turn on the headlights real quick. There's the headlights, fog lights, front beams, and now we've lit up the place. So what we done is we added a couple of fog lights up top. Pretty dang bright. They light up the whole front yard. As you can see, plenty of light out here if you were going to be working. Plenty of light if you're driving down the road. Yeah, that's it. Just want to give you guys a quick walk around Big Red. It's fired up, ready to go. It's the brightest day out here. But I better shut this off because it's 9:30 at night. You guys, I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around Big Red. If you would, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and keep coming back for more.